Hi, this is Mark, and are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, let's do it. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice, and today we're going to practice talking about the countryside. Yes, the countryside. What's it like to live in the countryside? Well, let's talk about it, shall we? Yes, okay, let's talk about the countryside. What's it like? Well, the air is clean. Yes, we can breathe easily in the countryside. It's good for our health. What's it like? The people are friendly. Yes, everyone says howdy. Everyone smiles and says hello. It's good to have friendly people around. What's it like? There's room to play. Yes, lots of space to walk and run and play your favorite sports. What's it like? Homes are bigger. Yes, it's nice to have a big home. Yes, lots of space. It's very nice. What's it like? It's easy to exercise. Yeah, so lots of room to walk, lots of space to ride your bicycle, run. It's a nice lifestyle. It's a good way to live. Yeah, it's a healthy way to live. Organic vegetables and fruit and all that good, healthy stuff. What are you interested in? Yes, I'm interested in exercise. How about you? Yeah, I enjoy exercising. How about you? I'm interested in scooters. Broom, broom, broom. How about you? Are you interested in scooters? I'm interested in business. Yeah, I want to be an entrepreneur. How about you? Are you interested in business? I'm interested in cards. I enjoy playing poker. I enjoy playing solitaire, bridge. How about you? I'm interested in painting. Yeah, how about you? Do you like to paint? It's a nice way to spend your free time. I'm interested in traveling. Yeah, I enjoy seeing new places, meet new people. How about you? I'm interested in cooking. Yes, home cooked food is the best. Do you enjoy cooking? I'm interested in sports. Yeah, I like to watch basketball. I like to watch football. Golf, how about you? Are you interested in sports? Okay, great job. Thanks so much. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get all of my videos. Yes. Okay, I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.